Hey everybody, it's Vicki Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style, and today I want to share with you my Scentsy Club for February 2022. And I'm so glad it's here because I was out of my favorite bar that I like to use in my living room. So I'm glad it's here. So first of all, let's talk about Scentsy Club. What is Scentsy Club? It is a subscription that you can either have monthly, every other month, or every 3 months. And you could skip once a year. And it's completely done by you, the customer. You get to manipulate it. You put in what you want, however many you want, and how often you want it to come. You could take things out, but here's the tip. If you take something out and it's no longer available in the catalog, you lose it from your club, okay? Another tip, you can only reduce the amount of bars of the bars that are no longer available, but you can't go up. So if you have, let's say, 3 that were in a Bring Back My Bar and they're no longer available, and you decide to go down to 2, you could totally do that, but you can't go up to 4. Get it? So the tip is to always go higher and then decide, do I need more? Do I need less? Because I can totally take some out, and that's cool. You can do that. But the minute you completely remove it, it's gone. And with that being said, that goes into my favorite part of Scentsy Club, and it's called Always Get My Bar. So let's say we have a collection or a Bring Back My Bar or just stuff out of the catalog, and you're like, oh my gosh, the catalog's about to change. Like, this is something I did. And I'm like, oh, what if they don't bring back Scary Good next fall? Oh my gosh, I will be so sad. So you put it in your Scentsy Club. You can always get it. And that's how it works. So most of my club is stuff that was in a collection or was Bring Back My Bar. So I'm super excited to share it with you. So let's talk about the perks. So I already talked about Always Get My Bar, which is my favorite. You can get 10% off your order when you go over $30. When you go over $60, you get a half price item, which is amazing. And now we just came up with the referral plan. I can't talk today. Words are hard. Words are really hard. What is wrong with me? Let me take a sip. Maybe that's the problem. Maybe I just needed to wet my whistle. I don't know. I think it's more of a brain problem than... Anyway, so we have this referral program that's brand new and it's really cool. So when you sign up for Scentsy Club, you're going to get your own exclusive referral code. And if you share this code with friends and family and they order and they create their own Scentsy Club, you'll get points for it. So in your Scentsy Club, for every dollar you spend, you'll get 1 point. So 1 point equals $1 spent, okay? But if the person that you refer sets up a Scentsy Club and let's say they put in $45 worth, you get double that, okay? So for every dollar that they put in, you get 2 points. So you get more points off the people that you referred. So that's fantastic. Now, how do you use these points? You can use them either in your Scentsy Club or on my website. And so 25 points is $1 off. 500 points is $20 off. 1,000 points is $40 off, and it'll continue going and going and going. So that is really cool. So I'm excited about that. Now, it's not available for us consultants. This is a customer-only perk. Right. Amazing. Okay. So let's get down to business. So the first thing I always get every month, because I go through a ton of them, and I always like to give them in my customer bags, and that is the cotton cleanups. One of the things that I love about getting them in my Scentsy Club is they're always sold out online, like always. But if you have the Scentsy Club, you're always able to get them. They give them to us first. If there's none, there's none. But if they have some, they're going to stop selling them and they're going to give them to the Scentsy Club people. Another thing is I got my half price item because I go through a ton a ton of counter clean. So I got Sunkissed Citrus at half off. So that's great. Now let's get down to the bars. So let's see. Where are the... I thought I had 4 of these. Maybe I only went down to 2. Maybe I only have 2 a month. I guess I do. So cherry almond pie was from our last Bring Back My Bar. And the last time I smelled it, when it was a Bring Back My Bar several years ago, I was like, ew, I do not like that. Now I'm obsessed with this bar. This is the bar I like to put in my living room. It smells so good, and it's a powerhouse. And my living room is where my litter robot is for my cats. So like I need a powerhouse scent there for sure. You can't even smell the litter robot. All you smell is cherry almond pie. I swear I cannot talk today, and I don't know what my problem is. Oh, and I never even looked, but the art on this is really pretty. Let's see if I can... How cute is that, right? Adorable. Love that. Okay. So then the next one I just had to put in my Scentsy Club. It was from the Valentine's Day 3-pack. Now, the whole 3-pack is good. But when I smelled It's Love, well, it was just love. It is so good. I smell like berries and, oh, it's like fruity and sugary and yummy. Like, so good. I absolutely love this scent. I had to hurry up and put it in my club because I loved it. Okay, the next thing that I got, this is for my bedroom. And let's see, how many of those did I get? Okay, so I got 2 sugars. I just love sugar. I think it's so good. This is, you'll notice that like sweet scents is kind of like what I like. And this for me is a bedroom scent. I absolutely love sugar. It gives me like cotton candy, sugary, just yummy vibes. So I have 2 bars of that. And I think I only have 1 bar of Pink Haze. And I think Pink Haze is pretty similar. Similar but different. And it's sugary and yummy and cotton candy. And just, I mean, I'm over here making up words. Cotton candy-y. Like, I don't know. I don't know. Words are hard. And now I'm creating my own. So just bear with me. Okay. The next ones that I have, these were part of, once again, another collection. They were part of the Catching Z's collection. This one is Shut Eye. Oh my gosh. It is so, so good. It's kind of slightly floral, but not overly floral. It just has like a really chill, relaxing bedroom girly vibe to me. So I have 2 of them and I love this scent. It's so good. Okay, the next ones, let's see, what are these 2? Oh, okay, so this one, okay, this one was also from the same Bring Back My Bar as Pink Haze, Sugar, I didn't even mention that, and Cherry Almond Pie. Those were all from our last Bring Back My Bar, and so was this one, Toffee Butter Crunch. And let me tell you, this was a scent when I first joined in 2016, and I loved it then, but we didn't have Scentsy Club, and I've always wanted it to come back. I just finished the room spray, because if you follow me, you know I always spray room spray on myself. And side note, right now, my scent of choice is Clementine Cupcake. Oh my gosh, it's so good. It's so good. But I just finished like my last squirts maybe a month ago of Toffee Butter Crunch that I had saved in a room spray for all these years. And I savored it and then now it's gone, but oh my gosh. Now I have the bar forever. I have it forever. And I am so happy. And I only got 1 bar because this isn't a scent that I like to warm in the spring, summer. To me, this is screams fall, okay? So I have a bar coming every month. and I'm just going to stash it away until fall. But now I always have it. I love always get my bar. That's my favorite. Okay, so that one was also from a Bring Back My Bar. This one was also from the same Bring Back My Bar. This last round was so good. I found so many that I just loved. Here's another one that was out when I first joined Scentsy, but I was like not into it. I don't know. But now I love it. I love it. This is my go-to for my bathroom. I love it. It's kind of amazing. If you liked the scent Beach, then you would probably have liked this one, but it's coconut cotton. It's no longer available, but I get it. And I get 2 bars of it every month. And I go through 2 bars every month. Oh my gosh. I just changed the wax in there today, and it just smells so good. Every time I walk in, I'm like, man, that smells good. I changed all my waxes today. So in my bedroom, I used Lucky and Love is in my bedroom. That was in my Scentsy Club, but in my quarterly. So that's in my bedroom. My bathroom is Coconut Cotton. My kitchen is Be My Honey, which is not in my Scentsy Club, but when it was available like 3 seasons ago, 4 seasons ago maybe, I had bought a ton of it because it's my favorite. It legit smells like honey. And I'm so sad that I didn't put it in my Scentsy Club. I don't know what happened, but they caught me slipping. And when I run out of that, I'm going to be sad. But I have a lot. I mean, I bought a lot. So that's in my kitchen, which goes so perfect in there because my decor is bees, honey, and lemons. So that's kind of perfect. Then in the living room, what did I put in the living room? Oh, vanilla bean buttercream. So that's what I got going on in the living room. So I changed all my waxes today. But yeah, this is in the bathroom and it's so delish. I love it. Okay, so the last, let's see, I got more. Hold on. And I don't think these are all the same one. They are. You know what that means? Oh, no, this is cinnamon buttercream. I was going to say, I thought Scentsy sent me on accident an extra bar. And I was like, do I have to tell them? But they didn't. It's another bar. Okay, so I'm going to do that one first. I'm going to do this one first. So this one was in the fall winter catalog. And it was one of the new releases. And I loved it. I love bakery scents. And I was like, oh, if they don't bring this one back, I'm going to be so upset. And it's cinnamon buttercream. You guys, it smells like frosting. And it is so good. And not only is it amazing by itself, but as a mixer, to die for, cinnamon buttercream. So now I always have it. So now what happens is next fall, let's say they bring this back. Well, great. I have a stash for myself, but I can take it out of my club. And then before the end of that catalog season, I got to put it right back in. But if it doesn't come back, which they're crazy if they don't bring the scent back, but if it doesn't come back, at least I have it in my Scentsy Club, which this is the whole point of always get my bar. Okay, so that's the only one that was actually in a catalog. The rest of these are all from different, oh gosh, you guys, I can't think. This COVID pneumonia killed me in January of last year. I cannot think. They're all different collections. Oh my gosh, I actually had to look at where it says Catching Z's wax collection to think of the word collection. It's so bad. It's so bad. Anyway, so my final one is Toasted Marshmallow, which is one of my favorite scents for my living room. I absolutely love this scent. I love anything with marshmallow in it, including Bonfire Beach. It has that marshmallow scent. I am so here for it. I am so here for it. And it's just, it has the scent of a toasted marshmallow. And it's so delish. Oh my gosh. So I have this always and forever, 4 bars. That's how much of it I use. Now, I wish I had put, and see, this is the problem. I wish I had put 4 bars of this, the cherry almond pie, because I go through a lot of it. And I wish I would have put more bars because now I cannot increase. I can only decrease, which I would never do. But I wish I had put 4 bars of this. Now I snoozed and I losed. And I'm sad. But that is my Scentsy Club. And I'm so glad because I saved the other bar of this because when I do, let's say, I don't know if I'm going to use it. I think I'm going to use this in my bedroom. But I have so many warmers that I need more than 1 bar. I go through like a bar and then like a row. So I'm going to need another, I needed another bar before I started because I don't want to mix them. I want to enjoy the scent. And, but yeah, that's my Scentsy Club. This is a good one. Wait till you guys see my quarterly Scentsy Club. It is huge. That's the one where I put all the stuff that I was afraid that they were going to like not put back in the catalog for fall, winter. And like I put Scary Good and oh gosh, I put even some of these in there as well so that I get like extra quarterly. But yeah, you guys need to set up a Scentsy Club. Scentsy Club is the way to go to make sure you're never without your favorite scents. You can also put in your cleaner, your laundry, light bulbs as well. Anything that's consumable can go in your Scentsy Club. And that way you don't have to like order it. It's already going to come. Now, the Always Get My Bar only is for bars. It's not for room spray. It's not for any of that. It's just for the bars. Like, so if you have let's say a counter clean and that scent is no longer available, then it's out of your club. But that's not the case with the bars. So I love Scentsy Club. It's the best thing ever. And I'm so jazzed about this Toffee Butter Crunch because this was one of my favorites when I first joined, and then Scentsy Club didn't exist, but now it does, and they voted it back in, and I'm super excited. We already know which scents are coming back from the next Bring Back My Bar, and that has a bunch of my favorites. So I'm going to be adding those as well. I'm like legit more excited than I should be. Why am I so excited about this? But I am. You guys, if you get it though, like if you're obsessed with certain scents and they go away and then you have the opportunity to get them all the time, you're like, sign me up. So if you want to start a Scentsy Club and you're confused, just message me and I will totally walk you through it. It's easy peasy, but I'll walk you through it, okay? All right, you guys, have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.